So I'm going to be honest, I don't understand why I haven't done this yet. I don't know. But we are going to do chicken al pastor street tacos. So, really the only thing we need to do today is the marinade, and then obviously cook the chicken and dress it up and make it look pretty and eat it, and yeah, so let's get started. So this recipe is pretty simple. So you need about a half of a yellow onion, or in this case, a really small yellow onion. Enough for about maybe a cup's worth, half cup worth of diced onion. Okay, then a half cup of chopped pineapple. I just went ahead and bought some pineapple chunks, not that big a deal. Okay, about 2 teaspoons of lime juice, a half teaspoon of black pepper, about a half teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Now I'm using chili powder. If you can find ancho powder, use ancho powder. 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of oregano, 1 7-ounce can of chipotles, and then I put a little bit of water in the can and kind of get some of that leftover stuff out and throw it in there. About a 1/4 cup worth. All right, then a 1/4 cup of olive oil. All right, put the cap on, and we blend. Right. Woo! All right, perfect. That definitely has some girth to that. But there's that. We have here about 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. All right, in our bag, mix it up nicely, and we're gonna let this sit for about a half an hour, or you can let it sit for anywhere from like 2 to 4 hours. I wouldn't let it sit longer than that, because then the pineapple juice will start cooking the chicken, and you don't want that. So we're gonna let this go for about half an hour, and then we'll head out to the Blackstone. All right, it's time to the Blackstone. Alright, so we got our shells. We're gonna put some queso fresco on this. We got our star of the show, our chicken. And then we're just gonna top this with some cilantro. Keep it simple. Enjoy the chicken, enjoy the flavor of the chicken. You can put avocado on it, you can make guacamole, put guacamole on it. You could put salsa on it, you could put some diced red onion added to it as well. You could make some sort of sauce, I'm sure, but I just want to try the chicken as is. So let's dress. We're gonna slice this real thin. Man, this almost kind of shreds a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. This is kind of nice. I'm kind of excited. Okay, I got some sliced up, so now we're gonna put them on our shells. All right, let's add some queso fresco. All right, and then some cilantro. Bam. Tacos. Let's eat. Right. Cheers. That is not bad. The citrus from the pineapple kind of comes through first. That little bit of subtle sweetness. And then the heat comes in. But the heat doesn't hit you all at once, which is very nice. And I will say, the heat kind of creeps up on you after a minute. But that's where like some sort of avocado crema or avocado ranch or maybe a little bit of lime squeezed on top would go a long way. But this by itself, I'd eat multiple times. Like I said, at very minimum, I would maybe ask for like a lime wedge to come with it, but I would order this as is on a taco truck any day of the week. Yummy. Bueno. Well guys, there you have it. Al pastor chicken tacos on the Blackstone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did and you're new, make sure you hit that sub button. Throw a comment down below, tell me what you guys think, and as always, peace out, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!